it? Can't throw that under there in danger.
So actually 11 pilots in the red. We have red 139 displaying for you today in front of you as we go around the rest of the formation. Watch for the cross change as red 1 flies the tornado down the line.
That dude. What are you doing, Grandpa?
You're offering me one and then you're pulling it away.
I wasn't offering you one, I was going to go.
1980 when we then took control of the Hawk Teignmouth 1, we can still the aircraft that was flying today. And the Hawk is 50 years old this year, extremely agile, extremely fun to fly, and a lot of the pilots contribute to a small sport car, great fun to operate. Look to it, 8 and 9, the red comes on, get your cameras ready for the Hannah race.
That's the coming jack. Nice.
You have red, and off to your left-hand side.
Oh my God!
You have red 8 and 9, coming from your comrade
You're going to come back now?
Any man over 50. Any man over 50. Ready to come back. These ladies are all over the
Wow, look at that.
ABC Red 9 climbing up into the sky, floating the red, the white and the blue. As Amy come off to our left hand side, tracing once again our famous red, white and blue. And coming in from the top right hand side, BBC
Oh yeah, it's a heart, isn't it?
Here's the heart. Red 8 is
Can't see it on the camera.
Oh
look, he's putting an arrow through it.
Oh yeah, brilliant. I like it.
Let's give 6 and 8 a massive round of applause for a wonderful heart.
Earlier, with what we call the drop smoke selected, latest version of the Extra 300, 330 horsepower, sitting in an O these things. The airframe made entirely of carbon fibre and glass fibre, and you're sitting in a leather-bound couch, really, to be honest with you. It's not so much a seat, it's you're leaning backwards at 33 degrees. So you're almost lying back in the aeroplane. when your head, when you go back. When you go to the dismounting factory to pick up your flat, your extra 300, take it back. One of the things they show you is the spin on the wing and the tailplate, which is 0.3 of a millimetre thick and might be stepping out slightly to the right to allow for the wind. So he's staying exactly on centre all the time. Okay, in single turn aerobatics, if you're doing aerobatics on your own, you're looking at the horizon, you're looking at your speed, you're looking at the fact that there are instruments, the person following. So you go from concentrating on the leader to concentrating on what you're doing, and then back again. Pull it up here with a Darwin half. That's our third half of today. And Tom asked me to dedicate the half here. Sorry to do this one, but I want to stop one here, so I might coming round past you. Now what's this? Two education rolls, full rolls and half rolls. Again, it's showing you just how look at the stick back. About a bag of foot, that's 5 pounds. You can take about 5 pounds back pressure on the stick, and then click on full rudder. You've seen already from this maneuver how powerful the rudder is. So you can just hang it up at the top of the rudder. But when you do a flip pilot the experience of doing the plane anywhere between +9 and about -5. Yeah, that's easy. But the line back, that's the whole thing. The adaptive need.
Wow.
Oh, definitely. Absolutely, definitely. Again, these huge powering maneuvers. Push forward like 2/3 of the knife edge flip at the top and then rolling down to the vertical line. To do that, what you have to do is you just have to practice. You start off slow and gentle, and you do it again and again and again and again. And slowly your body actually increases its tolerance to the effect it is. Hug it up on the throttle and find the full side. So 2 flip rolls on the way down. Normal roll, angle roll, they trying to demonstrate how to roll. Flip roll, tail tends to stick out of it, take them as yoke.